Marlan Manufacturing produces a product that passes through two departments. The units from the molding department are completed in the assembly department. The units are completed in assembly by adding the remaining direct materials when the units are 60% complete. So direct material is added. The materials are added when the units are 60% complete with respect to conversion costs. Conversion costs are added proportionately. So one is added proportionately, and the materials are added when the units are 60% complete with respect to conversion cost. The production activity in the assembly department for the current month is presented as follows. Marlan uses the FIFO method. So FIFO method is being used. Inventory method in the process cost system. So you have beginning inventory is 8,000. Units transferred in from the molding department during the month is 42,000, and units accounted for is 50,000. Units completed and transferred to finished goods inventory is 38,000. Ending inventory is 12,000, and units accounted for is 50,000. So what they're asking for, the equivalent units transfer from Marlan's molding department to the assembly department for the current month. So let us understand that we have two departments. The first department is we have molding department, and the second department we have assembly department. Units are transferred from molding department to assembly department. This means units are transferred. Units are transferred from molding department to assembly department, and this is assembly department. So what the question is asking for, the equivalent units transferred from molding department to the assembly department. So they're asking what is the equivalent unit that is transferred from the molding department to the assembly department, and we are sitting in the assembly department. So units transferred in from the molding department. So units transferred in from the molding department during the units transferred in to which department? To the assembly department. The units transferred in to the assembly department, because we are sitting in the assembly department from the molding department during the month. So what equivalent units transferred from the Marlan's molding department to assembly department is 42,000. Next they are asking for equivalent units, and that they are asking for the conversion cost and equivalent units for direct material. So let us find these two. Now the method that is being used is FIFO method. FIFO method is being used. So in order to find the equivalent unit, we need to divide our data into three categories. That is beginning working process, we have started and completed, and we have ending working process. We have material equivalent unit, and we have conversion cost equivalent unit. Now the beginning working process, the beginning inventory units are 8,000. So the beginning working, let us make it different color. So the beginning working process is 8,000. Ending inventory is 12,000. Beginning is 8,000 and the ending inventory is 12,000. Now units completed and transferred to finished goods inventory, that is 38,000. So if you have completed 38,000 units and transferred to the finished goods inventory, this 38,000 includes your beginning inventory. So beginning inventory is 8,000 and you have completed 38,000. This means you have started 30,000 units and completed 30,000 units. Started and completed, because 8,000 is from the previous. So you have started and completed, that is 30,000. Now, started and completed is always 100% for material as well as for conversion cost. So for material, started and completed will be a material equivalent unit, that will be 30,000, and for conversion cost equivalent unit will be 30,000. Now ending working process is 12,000. So ending working process is 12,000 and we have completed only 40%. So when the material is added, when the direct material units are 60% complete, but we have completed only 40%. Since we have completed only 40%, it hadn't reached 60%. So no materials will be added during the current period. So no material will be added here. Conversion costs are added proportionally. So it is 12,000. So we have completed 40%. So that is 12,000 into 40%. You will get 4,800. Now for beginning working process. Beginning working process is 8,000 units we have. For conversion cost, it's the materials is added proportionately. So 8,000 we have completed 25%. Now 25% is complete from the previous department. So now we will work on 75%. So 8,000 of 75%, which gives you 6,000. Now it is 25% complete with regards to beginning working process, that is material. But when we will add materials to it, when the units are 60% complete with respect to conversion cost. Now it was 25% complete in the molding department. We are sitting in the assembly department, so we will work from 25 to 100%. So in between we have completed 60%. So this means we will add the total 8,000 in the material. So the total equivalent unit for material will be 38,000, and the total equivalent unit for conversion cost will be 40,800. Now let us see. $38,000 material, it is 38,000, that is B, and for conversion cost it's 40,800. For conversion cost it is 40,800.